And for me, you kind of slow down dancehall. When I compare to Sizzler, but when you make your to me, you make your transition. Start your transition there. So this song kind of slow down dancehall and make it kind of more introspective. Tell us about Exercise.
So me get my break in the midst of one of the hottest battle where dancehall has ever seen. When Movado and Vybz Kartel, Gully and Gaza were hot like fire. That's when me break, And at the time, every artist I try do what Movado and Vybz Kartel doing. Because when you go to Bembe Thursday, which was the hot spot, them time there, is them song that play and Fence a beat down when Movado and Vybz Kartel song play during them time there, 2007 forward up. Fence a beat down. So because of that now, every artist, because I say, every man a look a break, and a man a go end up a do what him say happen to get him break as well.
Yeah, that's happening now in the music
exactly.
Right now.
So at the time, that did go on. A Vybz Kartel and Movado, song for song, what like fire. Einstein at the time, big ship artist, dep on the same kind of vibes and it'll work for him. Run them. It'll work when Einstein song play after them class song there, before them class song there. Big forward same way too. But me and DeMarco now end up singing a song from one of the big ship rhythm them, which was an evil song too, a gun song where I shoot and beer evil thing in it. Me never hear it play now yet, to tell the truth.
Okay.
But the song did evil, the song did bad, maybe better than the whole of the song them at the time.
Yeah.
And I said to DeMarco, say, if that song you no boss, Jah no want me for the writer, so I nah sing no more of this. I never hear the song now yet, no Jah.
The Jah answer yeah.
I never hear the song now yet. So me actually did make a promise to Jah too, because I said, Jah, if this no work, and I say you want me, I'm nah follow up with this, You see? Boom, the song sing, the song no work. It no playing nowhere. You say, alright, I allow that. Sizzler is actually one of my biggest influence.
Respect to that, I respect.
Yeah, Sizzler is actually one of my biggest influence. Coming from Papa San and Lieutenant Stitchy and
you influence a lot of people in our business.
Bounty Killer and all of them people. Buju Banton. Sizzler was one of my great influence during the time same way. So of course, I want to sing message with melodies. You understand me? I say, I don't just want a DJ hardcore because this is another transition now. I want message in my music.
But Exercise, it kind of sound like
Exercise and message, man.
Was kind of like a prayer thing. It's almost
yeah, man.
Like
so what happened now?
It sounded like that to me
when
I heard it first.
So what happened now is my voice the Exercise song here for SSMG, who I signed to after I walk away from Elephant.
Who is SSMG?
Sean Scott Music Group. There was a new label at the time, and them signed me as a new artist. So the whole way I try and make it together. But it never worked out. But them song that they done record for SSMG. I record like over 40 songs for SSMG. But this particular Exercise song now is a song where me believe in so much. Every day I tell Spoogie, which is Sean, say, here we are going to that song remind me of Tupac kind of energy. I feel like with a video that song work it, and he never do it. When Sirani said to me, one day, I'm going to link TJ Records up at Consumer Plaza. See? And Sirani was there. Sirani said to me, I want to do something with you in a bugle, but I want you to bring an idea to me. The first thing come through my head is me bring that Exercise and I go give Sirani.
Yeah.
Because I don't have it, but I don't play it for him or not. I just say, all right. But I don't have that in my head because you know me personally don't want to seem too excited and jumpy, so you don't know. I keep it calm and I say, all right. I say a word, man. I link you back with idea because I have a whole heap of idea. I'm going to link him and play the song on the phone for him one Thursday. And he say, so boom, he might drive a under element and reach over him back seat and take up one keyboard and plug it up in him car and go so. I hear everything loud through him car stereo. I say, yo, this sound away. And the man just play the rhythm right there so in him vehicle, Consumer Plaza Exercise rhythm play.
In the Plaza?
In the plaza and I want under element, him play exercise rhythm. And when him done play the rhythm, him say, sing the song. A matter of fact, I been a sing the song while I the song I got you. And him done play the rhythm now. And play the whole of the rhythm. And say, sing the song. And I say, so boom, exercise every day. The man said, this is the baddest song. And goes up on him phone. Yo, me find the artist. And the phone up on speaker. The man say, who that? And him say, Bugle. Man on the phone say, Bugle. Which Bugle that? Man say, I mean, which Bugle? How much Bugle you know? And give me the phone and say, yo, sing. Exercise every day. And within 5 minutes of me done singing, Mr. David and Curry pull up, which is the next 2 members of that Seeker. And then him call somebody else and say, I find the artist, sing. Sing. Within about another 5 minutes, Mr. Julian pull up, who was managing that Seeker at the time, Julian Jones. And crowd, like about 30 people, Richie Feelings and Raz and Biggie and Jigsy Ravers and Rolex and everybody, because Bembe Thursday are the whole of them, man. So crowd, and when I go around at the studio and I record, when I done record, the man them say, yo, you know no more song. And I say, I'm too now. I have song can done. Play back the rhythm. And the man them say, so boom, and play the rhythm, and I go back in the boat. Some people stop by obstacles, my journeys continue. Man them say, no. You have them song you all along? I say, yeah man, I have a whole heap more, man. And the man them have to keep meeting and decide which song to come out first. And most of the man them remember specifically Richie Feelings I say, yo, you see that exercise song that I hit. Every man I say, yo, exercise. But Richie Feelings is actually stress on it more than anybody else at the time. And we see, so boom, shoot the video, drop the song.
So that was a committee them time there?
Yeah, the song bust. And to tell the truth, that opened one door in a music where enough man not really talk about it. Not in the artists them not talk about it. Enough man not talk about it. Because you don't know. People not really like give people flowers, but you still, you know. A man rather give a wreath than a flowers. You know what I say?
Yardstyle life.